Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Amar, the developer of WebMD. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to use WebMD and all the features I have included in the WebMD and what makes it different and unique from Bootstrap and jQuery. So you can see we have reached the GitHub link for WebMD. Here's the procedure for your HTML document. You can arrange the HTML document like this. You have just need to import the CSS and JavaScript file, and the thing you need to write to use WebMD is only with JavaScript because HTML is not supported in WebMD. So let's go to the official link of this WebMD framework. So you can see we have reached the official website of this WebMD link, and here there's the docs. You can read it, how to use it. Let's go to widget section. So here you can download. Here for using the library uses CCADN. But friends, CADN is not supported in WebMD till now. It will support it at the end of April. I will make it sure that the CADN is available. So now you can just download this file. Okay. After downloading, you can see the widgets. Here are the primary widgets of WebMD framework. We have navigation bar and rise bar and everything like this. So first of all, let me say you about WebMD. So what's WebMD? WebMD is just a framework to make native mobile apps in your websites. For example, Bootstrap and jQuery, they don't provide these facilities. They just provide you to make quick to develop websites and web apps quickly, but they don't provide navigation bars, buttons, slide bars, and there are many things. You see text fields, image views, slide views, switches that we have in mobile like Android, iOS. We have the widgets, so they don't provide, but we provide you with everything. The docs here is not upgraded, but I will teach you everything, all the widgets. There are some additional widgets too, those are not included in this docs. So first of all, let's see the history. You can see after the release of Bootstrap 5, Angular and jQuery, the WebMD concepts has reached a great excellence, but the design used by this framework are old and outdated to compare with latest and newest designs and MDs which is used by framework like Flutter, KVMD, Xamarin and Metro.io. You know what's Flutter and KVMD? There's a framework for so that you can use MDs and native widgets and latest widgets for getting more better user experience in your apps. So these facilities are also been provided by our WebMD framework. Now I can see these widgets, these swipers, and here there is a procedure for using these widgets. You see here. So first of all, let's return to our GitHub link. Sure, you can see starting with this. First, make a HTML document like this with I'm using a mobile to develop these websites and apps. You see, wait. Here, this is the skeleton of our HTML document. Just place a HTML tag inside a head tag. Inside a head tag, you don't need meta charset, meta HTML quiv, but you need this viewport. This is very important to make responsive websites and apps. And here I have imported the app, the CSS and app.js, which are available in your GitHub. Okay. And here the title, you don't require this title, but inside the body tag you should place a script tag and nothing else, because the coding we need to do is inside the script tag. All the coding is inside the script tag only. You don't need to write any HTML, any CSS, anything. Yes, you can add your custom widgets, but that things we will discuss later. You can see here's the main var main equals to new MD app. So this MD app is the opening class of our WebMD framework, and this is action bar. See, this action bar I have made. These are the parameters. This is action bar text. This is the background. this is the color, and this is the icon, you see. And after that we need to add the widget to the main app. See, I'll run it. Let's say this action bar, very simple. And you know, WebMD is very fast because it's written in object-oriented programming, with JavaScript. So this ends our first tutorial and the introduction of WebMD. So if you have any further questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks.